Hello everybody! Most crochet projects start with a slip knot and a chain, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. To start, grab your yarn by one of its ends and wrap it around your fingers by making a cross. Then, slide your finger under the loop and pull the yarn through, like I'm doing here. Once you tighten it, you will see that you have a slip knot. Now you have to get the slip knot around your hook, and to do that you can adjust the size of the knot by pulling on the yarn ends. Make sure not to tighten it too much because you do need some room for the hook to move back and forth. Next, we are going to make the chain, which is the foundation for most crochet projects. You are going to work with the long side of the yarn and leave that short yarn end to the side. Wrap the yarn around your finger and then wrap it around the hook and pull through the loop that's on the hook. And that's your first chain stitch. All you have to do is repeat that. So wrap it around the hook and pull through the loop. Once you practice this a few times, you will see how easy it is. Wrap it around the hook and pull through the loop. Repeat this by making as many chain stitches as you need. And now you are ready to start your crochet projects. I will see you in the next video. Bye!